In this video, we're going to create a streaming rainbow pattern. Step 1 is click on the Create button. This LED slider, you can adjust the number of LEDs you want. I want 30 LEDs, so I'm going to set it back to 30. You can use the Paint tool to change the color of an LED. So I'm going to select red as my first color. And then I'm going to select 5 LEDs by clicking and dragging. Next, I'm going to select orange and click and drag. 5 LEDs, and then I'm going to select yellow and click and drag 5 LEDs. Now let's say I do 6 LEDs on accident. I can use the erase tool and just click and drag or click on the LED I don't want. Next I can use green, and I'll change that back to paint, and I'll paint these green. And we just want 5, so I accidentally did an extra one. And then we'll do blue. Be sure you're on the paint tool. 5 blue. And last, we'll do purple. Then click Create Pattern and click Play. You can see it's going, but it's going a little slow, so we'll change the frames per second from half a second to 0.1 seconds. Then we'll click Play. Okay, I'm really happy with that pattern. So the next step is to click on the Upload button, select the kind of LEDs that you're using, the color order, which you can get from your chipset. A lot of people use RGB, but the cheaper ones, the ones that I use GRB, and your brightness level. So that's this number right here in the code. And I found 10 is a really good brightness level for taking videos, but I would really encourage you to experiment with these. The other thing is if you're uploading it directly from the website, you have a choice between the Arduino Uno and the Arduino Mega and these pins. Later on, I'll replace this with a text area, but for right now, you'll just have to select the one. So now I'm going to plug in my Arduino, and I'll click on the Upload button. I'll select my Arduino device, and I'll click Connect. And you can see it's running right there. It should be flashing. Usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds to flash the Arduino from the web browser. And it's done. So let's go ahead and plug this in and see what these LEDs look like.